Okay, this is gonna be my very first video of Slime Rancher. This is only a tutorial for the game, just to show you like what's in here and stuff. So yeah, this is only just for like entertainment. So please subscribe. Did I say this is my very first video? I don't know, but this is my very first video. It's gonna be a quick video, like maybe like 5 minutes or something like that. I don't know, but this is gonna be a quick video of the tutorial and like all like slime, like the slimes and stuff like that. This is gonna be a really quick tutorial. So subscribe to my channel, like I said. But also subscribe to Dal6189, V5411, and also, if you have Twitch, then I have to subscribe to, Gimok or Jimok, I don't know. It starts with a G. So I'm just going to, so like when you play the game, you need like choose a picture. You can name it if you want, you don't have to. So yeah. So yeah, this recording was like, I don't know what time, but like it's late. Like I think it's past 8:30 at least. Cause this stuff might happen. My game might crash on me. Okay, it didn't crash. Okay. The screen might be like laggy. Like everything that you're seeing might be a little like be laggy because I have not finished. So as you know, you can like do ASW you move. You put on computer. Press the space bar to jump and shift to spin as normal. And then on the bottom right you can see like on your thing it will be like right like on the bottom right in the middle there should be like that stuff. So yeah, so after we grab the slimes, we can shoot them in here. And then after, with your money that you have, you can buy anything in here. And you can also I'll tell you the slimes. This is the pink slime, which is I think it's a pink slime, right? Yeah, pink slime. There's the rock slime, the tabby slime, the phosphor slime. That's all I remember. I'll tell you later in my other videos about this. This is just a tutorial. This is my very first video. Please like and subscribe. And to everyone that I told you to like and subscribe, well, to like everyone that I told you like is your YouTube channel or like Twitch channel at the very start of the video. So yeah, this is just a tiny video. I'm just telling you like how to play and stuff like that.